Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching ports and choosing the correct cable. This ensures signal compatibility and avoids flicker. Once done, plug power into both monitors and connect the cable to the primary display first, then the second. If you need an adapter, use an active one for DisplayPort to HDMI conversions, because passive adapters may not carry the needed signal. Make sure your GPU or laptop outputs support dual displays. Check a quick spec or labels so you don't waste time swapping cables later. With both monitors connected, power them on and open your operating system's display settings so you can control behavior. You choose Extend to gain extra workspace or Duplicate for the same image. Extend is typical for productivity. Next, set the correct resolution and refresh rate for each monitor to avoid scaling issues, and drag the virtual displays to match their physical positions. Once configured, test by moving a window between screens to verify arrangement and smooth cursor travel. Finish by fine-tuning color, scaling, and taskbar preference so your workflow feels natural. Save settings and restart if changes didn't apply. If one screen stays blank, make sure the cable is fully seated and swap ports or cables to isolate the problem. Update your graphics drivers because outdated drivers often cause detection failures. Once updated, reboot and recheck display settings. If problems persist, boot with one monitor at a time to confirm hardware. Then try a factory reset on the monitor or a system restore as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.